स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र आणि गोंयच्यो पंचायती दिव्यांगां कडेन आडनदर करता म्हण असो खर आरोप राज्य दिव्यांग संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आवेलिनो डिसा हांणी केला. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
This incident is actually very shocking because the government has had 2 times they have had Swayampoorna Goa campaign. Goa government has appointed Swayampoorna Mitras. Goa government has had 2 times Swayampoorna Goa campaigns in the last 1 year. Okay, and they have also had camps to give wheelchairs and crutches to persons with disability. And so we are very shocked to know such an incident has happened in Goa. And when we went, we found out on inquiry, we found out that this person had even applied for the DSS in July 21. Still she is not getting her DSS. And we found out that all this person with disability was neglected only because her MLA was not belonging to the BJP. So this is something very shocking that Swayampoorna Mitras, who are government employees, are not visiting disabled persons, they are not visiting elderly people in constituencies which are not belonging to the government. Very disappointed that the Accessible India campaign in Goa, which was started 5 years back, and money was received from the central government, is going at a very slow pace in the state. We are not been informed what is the progress of the Accessible India campaign, nor are we seeing any progress in physical terms of the 30 buildings which government was supposed to make accessible in the last 5 years. Okay, we have been also receiving complaints that schools and colleges are denying admission to students with disabilities on the grounds of disability. This also is an offence under the Rights of Persons with Disability Act. It is an offence under the Goa Children's Act. It is an offence under the Right to Education Act.
आमचे क्लॉटिंग जाता आणि रगत थांबता आणि पेकता, करेक्ट? फॉर दीज पर्सन्स विथ डिसेबिलिटी हू हॅव हेमोफिलिया, दे लॅक or there is less this in the blood, that is called factor. तो factor GMCतल्यान तांकां मेळपाक जाय ऑन रेग्युलर बेसिस इंजेक्शनांतल्यान. दे आर कॉस्टली इंजेक्शन्स. गोंयांत सादारण आयडेंटिफायड अराउंड 55 असे डिसेबिलिटीचे पेशंट्स आहा हेमोफिलियाचे. तांची सोसायटी आसा, ते अप्रोच करता. पण फाटले काही दीस दे फाउंड फॉर 15 days दॅट फॅक्टर वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल. सो आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आसा की हे पेशंटांक जर तो फॅक्टर टायमली मेळ्ळो ना, ते डिसेबल्ड जाता. तांकां काही लोक व्हिलचॅरां ऑलरेडी आसा, काही चलतना ऑर्थोपेडीक डिसेबिलिटी तांकां चलपा त्रास जाता. हे तांचे एग्रेवेट जाता टायमली जर हो फॅक्टर ब्लडांक तांकां दिवपाक मेळ्ळो ना जाल्यार. सो आमचे हे आसा की तो रेग्युलर बेसीस, इट इज अ इसेन्शियल मेडिसीन. ते रेग्युलर बेसीस तांकां मेळचें. तांणी ऑलरेडी कम्युनिकेशन धाडिल्लें आहा